Hello everyone, welcome to the Vedantu guys. So today I am going to discuss about the very important question of integration guys, and the question is we have to find out the value of given function guys, right? And we are having the four option. So first we are having the four option guys, and we have to check which option is the correct, right? So first of all I am going to write the what is the question guys. Question is 0 tends to, sorry guys, question is the limit is 1 tends to 2 and the function is 4x cube minus 5x square plus 6x plus 9. Okay, right guys, dx. So we know that it is in the simplest form of the for the integration guys, because we know the all the integration, we know the uh, integration of all the given function guys, right? That is present in this question guys, and we can write here, what we can write here guys. So we can write separately. So we can write it as, and after taking the common 4 from the first term, and it will become 1 the limit 1 tends to 2, and it will become x to the power 3 dx. Okay, and after taking the minus 5 common from the 5 minus 5x square, so it will become 1 tends to 2 x square dx guys, right? And after taking the 6 common from the third term, so it will become 1 tends to 2 x dx, and last term is the plus 9. So after taking the plus 9 common, and it will become 1 tends to 2 dx guys, right? And now we can find out the integration of all the given term guys, right? So we can write here, and we know that the integration of x to the power 4 x to the power 3 is equal to x to the power 4 by 4, and the limit is 1 tends to 2. Okay, and minus 5 x square integration is equal to, we know that x cube by 3 guys, and the limit 1 tends to 2. Okay, and we can write here the integration of x guys. So integration of x is equal to x square by 2 6 into x square by 2 dx, x square by 2, and the limit is 1 tends to 2 and 9, and the integration of 1 is equal to, we know that the integration of 1 is equal to x, and the limit is 1 tends to 2. Okay, now I am going to put the limits, so, and we can cancel the sum term guys, 4 with the 4 and 2 with the 3 guys. Okay, so you can simply cancel it. Now you can write here the, first of all we will put the upper limit, then after we give the uh, subtraction sign, and after that we will put the lower limit guys instead of x. Okay, so we can write here 2 to the power 4 minus 1 to the power 4 guys. Okay, after putting the limit, and we can write here minus 5, and it will become 2 to the power 3, and we can take the common 1 by 3 also, 2 to the power 3 minus 1 to the power 3, and we can write here plus 3. Okay, and after putting the limits, so 2 to the power 2 minus 1 to the power 2. Okay, we can write it as, and plus we can write here 9 into 2 minus 1. Okay, so now we know that 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16 minus 1. Okay, we can write here 16 minus 1, and it will become 5 by 3, and it will become 8 minus 1 into 8 minus 1 into 7, you can write here, and plus we can write 4 minus 3, and 3 3 are 9 guys, so we can write directly 9, and here 2 minus 1 into 9, so it will become 1 into 9 is equal to, we can write here 9. Okay, so now we can write here the 15, we can write here 15 minus 5 by 3 plus 18. Okay, are you getting my points guys? And after adding 15 and 18, we will get the value, so it is 35 guys, because we know that 7 into 5 equal to 35, and 15 plus 18 is equal to, we can write here 33 minus 35 by 3. Okay, and after taking LCM, we will write 99 minus 35 divided by 3. Okay, and sorry guys, divided by 3. Okay, and after subtracting we will get the value. What we will get the value? After subtracting we will get 64, and we will get the answer 64 by 3. So according to the solution guys, we can say that option A is the correct answer. So thank you.